sister's gonna do a little something for y'all. All right, Maybelle.
All of a sudden I had to let you go, but you won't be far from me. Come from another world, different times and place. Still there's comfort in seeing your face. Never say goodbye, my love. Even if we're far apart from each other, you'll always be closer than a thread. You mean more, you know. I thank God for you. Living such different lives, but someone brought us together.